Hello everyone, Michael again and welcome back to the Adams High Tech channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today, we have a crucial topic to discuss. We'll be talking about impersonation scams, a type of fraud that's becoming increasingly common and specifically targeting our seniors. So, let's dive right in. What exactly is an impersonation scam, you may ask? Well, it's when a scammer poses as someone they're not, usually a person in a position of authority, to deceive innocent victims. Whether it's a fake call from the government, the police, or even your bank, these scammers can be incredibly convincing. They'll even go as far as sending emails and text messages that appear to be from legitimate sources. Now, how do these impersonation scams work? It's important to understand their tactics so you can protect yourself and your loved ones. Once they gain your trust, they'll start asking for personal information or money. They might claim you owe a fee to avoid legal trouble, or they need your bank account details to process a refund. The truth is, their ultimate goal is to swindle your hard-earned money. It's disheartening, but the elderly, in particular, are at higher risk of falling victim to these scams. So, it's essential to know the common types of impersonation scams targeting seniors. Tech support scams. Tech support scammers are relentless. They might call you claiming there's a problem with your computer and offer help to fix it. But, beware. Instead of assisting you, they'll install malicious software on your device, putting your personal data at risk. Grandparent scams. The grandparent scam preys on the emotions of seniors. Scammers will call pretending to be your grandchild in distress, asking for money to cover bail or medical expenses. Don't fall for it without verification. IRS scams. IRS scammers can be intimidating, claiming you owe money and threatening arrest if you don't pay immediately. Remember, the IRS will never contact you through a call or email demanding instant payment. Now, let's focus on what you can do to protect yourself from these impersonation scams. Never disclose personal information. Never give out sensitive information over the phone or through email unless you're 100% certain about the caller's identity. Be wary of requests for money. If someone asks you for money or any financial transactions without proper verification, take it as a red flag. Trust your instincts. If something feels off during a call or email, don't hesitate to hang up or delete it. Trust your gut. Verify directly. Always verify the authenticity of the call or email by contacting the company or organization directly through their official channels. Report suspicious activity. If you encounter any suspicious calls or emails, don't hesitate to report them to the Federal Trade Commission, FTC. Impersonation scams are a serious threat, but by staying informed and vigilant, we can protect ourselves and our loved ones from falling victim to these heartless schemes. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please show your support by smashing that like button and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content. If you or someone you know has been targeted by an impersonation scam, take action immediately. Report the incident to the FTC at ftc.gov/complaint. And for more information on how to safeguard against impersonation scams, visit the FTC's official website. Alright, that wraps it up for today's video. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with scams in the comments below. Together, let's raise awareness and protect our community. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay safe, stay informed, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.